Good morning, all dear students. Today we discuss a very important topic of accounting procedures. This topic is very important for BCom part third year students. BCom part third year students syllabus ABST paper first corporate accounting. This topic also supported MCOM ABST previous year students. All students are requested to note important material of this e-content and watch video at the end. Let's start. Accounting procedure. Accounting procedures are two parts. Polling of interest method. Part first. Polling of interest method. This method is applied in case of amalgamation nature of measure. The accounting procedure is as follow. Procedure is as follows. All the assets of the transfer company are taken by the transferee company. Transfer company are taken by the transferee companies. Their book values transferee company are taken all assets of the transferee company, their book values. All the reserve and surpluses are also taken at their book value. All assets and all reserve and surplus are taken by transfer company. Second, soon of amalgamation consolidated figure of profit and loss account, both the transferee company and transfer company is shown in the balance sheet of purchasing company. Other reserve also consolidated and shown in the balance sheet. Soon of amalgamation consolidated figure of profit and loss account, both the transferee company and transfer company is shown in the balance sheet of purchasing company. Other reserves also consolidated and shown in the balance sheet. Third, accounting policies of both vendor company and purchasing company are different. Then some policies must be adopted. Effect of changes in accounting policy on financial statements should be disclosed. Accounting to Accounting Standard 5, net profit and loss for the period. Prove periods item change in accounting policies. Change in the accounting policies. Fourth, there if there is any difference between the share capital of transfer company and share capital is shareholder issue to transfer company by transferee company, it will be adjusted through reserves. It will be adjusted through reserves. Two company, transfer company and transferee company. If there is any difference between the share capital of transfer company and share capital is shareholder issue of transfer company by transferee company, it will be adjusted through reserves. Second method B, purchase method. First method of measure. Second method, purchase method. Purchase method is adopted for amalgamation in nature of purchase. In the nature of purchase. Or first method in the nature of measure. The accounting procedure is as follow. Second method, accounting procedure is as follow. First, account assets and liabilities of transfer company means vendor company are to be included in the books of transferee means purchasing company at their present or fair value at the time of amalgamation. At the time of amalgamation. Only statutory reserve of vendor company such as investment allowance reserve, development rebate reserve, export subsidy reserve, capital investment subsidy reserve are included in the book of purchasing company. Are not other is reserve. Only statutory reserve of vendor company such like investment allowance reserve, development rebate reserve,
जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा
are included in the book of purchasing company. Are not other than other is reserves. Amalgamation adjusted account is debited and the reserve will be credited. Amalgamation adjustment account show under non-current assets in asset side. In nature of purchase. Third, if the value of net assets of transfer of company is less than amount to be paid to transfer of company, then difference will be debited in goodwill account. Difference will be debited in goodwill account. The reserve situation, capital reserve account will be credited. Difference will be debit in goodwill account and difference it will reserve will be credited in nature of purchase. Fourth, the goodwill is to be write off within 5 years out of period profit. Goodwill is to be write off within 5 years out of profit. Accounting according to Accounting Standard 14, the process for calculation of purchase consideration, two types of the amalgamation process. Thank you.